See here, as the storm moves into Dallas. Now, I know most people in Dallas most likely don't have basements or storm cellars, so get to the center of your house away from windows and doors. Do not waste your time trying to see it, as you may have seconds to get to shelter. If you are in a mobile home, I'm sorry. Just start praying as it is too close to even go outside. Dear God, this is the worst storm that I've ever.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for all of Oregon. Take shelter now. This storm is bigger than any storm that has ever been. It has grown in the matter of seconds. Take shelter now. I repeat, everyone near or in Oregon, take shelter.